that your love never ends, that you call me yours, my closest friend. When I run low on strength and grace, you lift my heart to a higher place. Who am I that you stay by my side through storms I face and tears I've cried? Your love remains when all feels lost, a steady anchor at every cost. Who am I that you hold me near and calm my soul when I'm gripped by fear? Your love surrounds me like morning light, chasing away the longest night. Who am I that you see my flaws, yet cover me with mercy's laws? Your love redeems my broken past and builds a hope designed to last. Who am I that you know my name and choose to love me just the same? Your love goes deeper than oceans wide, a sacred place where I abide. Who am I that you hear my cry and never once turn your face to the sky? You bend to meet my trembling prayer and show me grace beyond compare. Who am I that you strengthen me when life feels heavy as the sea? Your love becomes the breath I take, the peace that keeps my soul awake. Who am I that you stay so true when I forget to run to you? Your love remains unshaken, strong, the melody of my daily song. Who am I that you heal my heart and stitch my wounds like holy art? Your love restores what life has torn and gives me courage to be reborn. Who am I that you carry my pain and trade my loss for heavenly gain? Your love rebuilds what I once lost and writes redemption across my cost. Who am I that you see me through when I don't know what else to do? Your love rebuilds what I've lost, my hiding shape my life and comfort me in moments of strife. Your love rewrites what once was wrong and turns my silence into song. Who am I that you call me home when I grow tired, afraid to roam? Your love invites me to begin, to live renewed and free within. Who am I that your love never ends? A sinner saved, a soul you defend. Forever yours, forever known, held in a love that feels like home.